Welcome to Technolearn Academy. In this lecture, we are going to discuss the Sumifs function. Sumifs is an Excel function to sum the values in a range based on one or more criteria. This is the syntax for the Sumifs function. Sumifs functions required multiple arguments. First is sum range. It is the range of cells that we want to sum together. Criteria range 1. It is the range of cells containing the first set of criteria. Then criteria 1. It is the criteria 1 to be applied to the criteria range 1. And after that we can select criteria range 2 and second criteria. In Sumifs we can provide multiple criteria ranges and multiple criteria as per the requirement. Let's understand the Sumifs function with a practical example. In this example we will find the sum of sales of Dell products sold by Barry Johnson within the given range. And we can observe that there are only 4 rows that meets the above criteria. So the sum of sales of Dell products sold by the Barry Johnson is 505 only. Let's do this activity in practice. In order to apply the Sumifs function, first select the cell, then type equal sign. After that type Sumifs. Select Sumifs function from the drop down. First we need to provide the sum range. In this scenario I will select the sales range. Then we have to provide the first criteria range. My first criteria range is the sales rep range. Now I need to provide the first criteria. So I'll select Barry Johnson. Now my second criteria range is my product range. I have selected the product range as well. Now which is my second criteria? It is Dell. I have selected Dell as well. After that I have to close the bracket. So we can see that we have provided one sum range, 2 criteria range and 2 criteria. And now I will press the enter and we can see that the Sumifs function has calculated the sum of sales of Dell products sold by the Barry Johnson. Thanks for watching this video.